Hello students, let us solve an example on module 5 linear algebra to find rank of the matrix where rank of the matrix is defined by number of non-zero rows after reducing it into row echelon form. So how to given the matrix to convert in the form of echelon form? You have to follow some of the steps. So first of all, the first row first element should be non-zero. So what we do, interchange the first row and second row, we symbol it as r1 interchanging with r2. So when we interchange, we are going to remain with the matrix 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 0 2 1 1 minus 2 and 0. So see here only r1 and r2 are mutually interchanged. R3 and r4 are kept as it is. So according to the rule, in the first column below the first row first element, all these elements of the column you should make 0 and you should take help of first row first element itself. So already this element is 0 and the second row first element is 0. So third row first element and the fourth row first element you should make 0 with the help of this operator 1. So let us write the operation for r2. R2 is it necessary? No. So let us write for R3. What will be R3? R3 is equals to R3 since it is 3 and here the element is 1. So I can write the operation as R1, R3 equals to R3 minus 3 times of R1 and R4 as the element here is 1 and here also 1. You can directly minus it. R4 equals to R4 minus R1. So let us see. R1 and R2 will remain as it is. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 1. And then now R3, first element is 3. 3 minus 3 into R1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 minus 3, 0. Then 1. 1 minus 0 into 3 is 1 itself. Then 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Then 2 minus 3 because for R1 here the element is 1. For 1 you are multiplying 3. So 1 into 3 is 3. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So R4. R4 here the element is 1 and here also 1. So 1 minus 1 you are going to obtain 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Then minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3. 0 and minus 1 is minus 1. So you are going to remain this as a matrix. Now again below this element these two you should make 0 with the help of this element itself. So you have to operate R3 and R4 in terms of R2. So what will be the operation for R3? R3 is equals to R3 minus R2 and R4 will be equals to R4 minus R2, right? Therefore keep R1 and R2 as it is 1, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1 minus 3 minus 1. Then operation for R3. R3 minus R2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 0. Minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 is 0. 1 minus of minus plus 1 is again 0. So R4 is R4 minus R2. R4 minus R2 0 minus 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 3 minus of minus plus 3 0. This is minus 1 minus of minus and again 0, right? From this it is very clear. First row first element below the element are 0. Second row second element below the elements are 0, right? Third row already it is 0 in the process. So how many non-zero rows are remaining? These two are non-zero rows and the below are 0 rows. So they are the matrix what you are remaining is in the form of echelon form, right? Therefore I say rank of this matrix is number of non zero rows, right, in the final step after doing the row echelon form reduction. Therefore number of non-zero rows are here 2. Therefore rank of the given matrix is equals to